Welcome to our tutorial on how to start an end-to-end encrypted chat on Messenger, ensuring the security and privacy of your conversations. Let's walk through the steps to set up encrypted chats within the Messenger app on your Android device. To get started, open the Messenger app on your Android device to access your chats and conversations easily. Once you're in the app, navigate to the group chat where you wish to initiate an end-to-end encrypted chat for secure communication. Now, look for the info icon located at the top right corner of the group chat screen. This icon will provide you with additional options and settings for the group. Tap on the info icon to open up the group settings, where you can find various features to manage your group chats effectively. Within the group settings, you will see the option to start end-to-end encrypted chat. Tap on this option to begin an encrypted conversation within the group. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your messages are protected with end-to-end encryption, adding an extra layer of security to your conversations on Messenger. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the added security and privacy that end-to-end encryption brings to your Messenger chats, keeping your communications safe and confidential.